well, as far as I know, from what information I get, there's a problem in getting people to go back to the theaters, di ba? Since after the COVID epidemic, because there are a lot of films available to us to watch. There are several streaming platforms, right? There are several streaming platforms, where you can watch a lot of films, not only Filipino films, but films from all over the world, right? So if you're interested in cinema, you just stay at home and watch these streaming platforms. You don't need to spend, 300, 400, 500, or kung gusto mo nang nakahiga ka, tapos may pagkain, mga 800, yeah. Well, magastos, no? Kaya kaya siguro hindi na bumabalik sa teatro yung mga manonood. Yun ang problema. Kaya pati yung production ng pelikula medyo mababa, no? sa industriya. Konti na lang ang ginagawa sa karamihan mga indie films. Buti mayroong mga indie filmmakers dahil one thing positive is that the indie filmmakers who want to do films, they have no reason not to be able to do the films that they want to do, because the equipment is available, shooting equipment, camera, they can shoot with the cell phone, editing equipment, the softwares are available, they can edit with their computers. There's no reason not to be able to make a film that they want to do. So there are a lot of indie filmmakers. Thanks to them, Philippine cinema is still alive. But as far as mainstream cinema is concerned, that is the major problem. So what to do to get the audiences back to the cinema? Ano yung hinahanap ng mga audience na nanonood sa teatro? Kung titignan natin yung mga pinapalabas na foreign films, mga malalaking pelikula, no? Yung mga Marvel Comics Universe, yung mga ganun. Ibang klase, ibang klase. Kasi mapapanood mo na sa bahay, lahat, karamihan.
Last question po, sir.
Very interesting po yung manunuri para sa mga producers
Ay maninira. Kasi isa po kami reviewer. Ano pong komento niyo po doon? Kasi sa panahon po ngayon, mahirap mag-review po ng pelikula.
Yeah. Well, nung tinatag yun nung mid-70s, no? Mid-70s, 75, 76. Manunuri ng pelikulang Pilipino. Yun din ang naging komento, no, dun sa organisasyon. Sinabi yung manunuri ay mga maninira ng pelikulang Pilipino. Maski ako pwede rin ako sisihin kung babasahin mo yung mga sinulat ko nung panahon na yun, talagang mukhang sinisira yung mga pelikulang Tagalog. Hindi naman, pero ganun ang nangyari, no? Maybe we overdid it. I mean, criticizing the local films, and that was just unfortunate, no? But the objective really was to be more critical about our own cinema, and tumagal naman yung manunuri ng pelikula ng Pilipino hanggang ngayon, no? Nandiyan sila, may silbi naman yan, no? Yung manunuri. Kasi marami din nagbibigay ng mga awards, di ba? So, isa sa mga awards na ito, yung sa manunuri ng pelikula ng Pilipino.
Alright.
Salamat din.